Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am starting this video in my car because I just arrived to the spot where I will be filming this video and constructing a balloon garland for a local business. We collaborated together and I'm excited to tell you a little more about this business in just a second. Everything that I will be using in this video will be linked and listed in the description under this video. Also, address for this local business will be in the description under this video. Let's go. Let me show you around. So this is the spot, Leveled Up Luxe rental. I am working today with this gorgeous setup, this wall and these ladders. So let's go inside. Hi lady.
Hi, how are you?
Doing good. You guys, check this place out. How adorable. I mean, the inventory here is stunning. I absolutely love it. This wall is everything. Like, look at this. Okay, I'm super excited to work here. I will leave the address for this place in the description under this video, so you guys definitely come and check it out. Let's quickly run through all of the balloons that I have here. I am working with Qualitix and BSA. I have a white in several sizes, 17, 11, 3 feet and 5 inch. Also onyx black, 5, 11 and 17 as well, and chrome gold in 7 and 11 inch. Grabbing two 11-inch balloons and inflating them into different sizes. After balloons are inflated, you can press balloons against yourself or table to give a rounder shape of balloons, tying balloons together into a pair pretty close together to have long stretchy necks. Inflating 3 more pairs of balloons. Once pairs of balloons are ready, I am intertwining them together into a cluster. Make sure to intertwine balloons nice and tight together so they don't untangle and go places. I will be creating different sizes of clusters using 4 pairs of balloons, 3 pairs of balloons, and also quads, which are 2 pairs of balloons together. After my clusters are ready, I am packing everything into white big bags. That would be so much easier for me to take them outside and they won't go anywhere. I am repeating the same process with the rest of the colors of balloons. Time to construct our balloon garland. I am grabbing clusters of balloons, reaching in and finding those nice and long stretchy necks, tying those necks together to create a balloon garland. You will be doing that until you'll be happy with the size and length of your balloon garland. I decided to add a white cluster of balloons on top of those 2 tied black clusters of balloons. I had something in mind. It didn't really work out the way that I wanted to, but you'll see, I'll fix everything. Everything will work out. So let's start this. I'm playing around with letters, making sure the balloons will have enough space and letters are evenly spaced. As you notice, this wall had 2 hooks and I'm so happy and grateful that they were there. You'll see why. I'll explain everything at the end of this video. I am starting to fill this cluster of balloons with more white and gold. I had something different in mind, like having a big cluster of balloons on the wall and not go for a typical balloon garland, but that will change in a second. So here I am trying to figure out how to place that cluster and how to attach that cluster to my letters so the wind won't pick my balloons up and take somewhere. I tried the command hooks and they didn't work because these letters are made from wood, and every single time I would place a command hook on top of that wood, that sticky part would pick up a whole bunch of dust and debris that it would unglue and it didn't work. So I simply took my fishing line and tied my balloons straight to letters. And this is when I decided to join bottom cluster of balloons with top cluster of balloons together. Happy that I did that. Looks so much better than just little clusters of balloons all over. Adding more balloons between letters by tying them straight to letters with fishing line. You often ask about static and what I do to clean balloons. This is what I do. Simply swipe it off and move on. There's not much that you can do. Static will be there always. You can try to use a lint roller or a duster to clean your balloons up. I am using rubber bands to attach smaller quads of balloons to my balloon garland. You can use it to 60. With hot weather, be careful. Rubber bands can oxidize and snap. Going with extra clusters of balloons to give more volume to balloon garland and also balancing out the colors. I often get asked how my balloons do not pop. Well, they do pop. I lost a few in this setup. Keep watching, you'll see. I also want to bring your attention to the letters and how I fill spaces between letters. If you see G and R at the very bottom, I have black balloons. Between R and A, I put gold at the very bottom. And A and D, I have white at the bottom. So the bottom of the letters won't have exactly the same color because having one color will cut balloons and installation. In my opinion, it would look unattractive. Not saying one color is bad, but if you work with several colors, mix it up. Time to put finishing touches with 7-inch chrome gold and black and white 5-inch quads of balloons. As I was working and finishing up, someone drove by and decided to spit out their chewed up gum. There's no way the gum was there the whole time. I was walking constantly there. I don't know why they did that. There's such a thing as trash cans. Come on. I used a 260 balloon to attach my 36-inch balloons to my balloon garland. This balloon right here, one spot didn't like it, second spot didn't like it, came back to the first one and I loved it. People were stopping by, taking pictures. They were asking me a whole bunch of questions. Why am I doing this? What is it for? And here is one of the interactions that I had. I'm sorry?
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Nice.
Thank you. So badly wanted to include these star garlands into this setup. They fit so well in here, but the wind was way too strong. Look at my defeat. I just took them down. After I was done filming outdoors, we transported everything indoors and I installed the balloon garland indoors. I attached balloon garland to the wall with clear flowery hooks that I've been hearing so much about. They popped off from the wall after a bit of time, maybe because of wall glossy finish or texture. I'll keep testing them and I'll let you know what I think. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.